Welcome everyone to the QA Online Academy. I am so excited to finally announce our brand new comprehensive HTML series. HTML is the foundation of every website you see. Understanding it is the absolute first step in becoming a web development or QA automation professional. In this series, we'll start from the absolute basics, the core structure, the tags, and how to create your very first web page from scratch. But we don't stop there. We will dive into forms, tables, and the semantic tags that make modern websites accessible and SEO friendly. For the QA engineers, this knowledge is critical. You'll learn how to identify elements, understand DOM structures, and write much better automation locators. Every lesson includes practical, hands-on exercises designed to turn your new knowledge into a real-world skill you can use immediately. Join us on this exciting journey to master the fundamental language of the web. Subscribe now, visit our website, and let's get coding together. I'll see you in the very first lesson.